Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite girl, Miss BERIZZYs of BERIZZYs Closet. And if you don't know, BERIZZYs Closet is an online boutique that sells female clothes from a size small all the way up to a size 4XL. So please head on over there and check me out, okay? And now let's get right into the video for today. So guys, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, you're most definitely welcome. And if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to click on that subscription button below and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And today, let's get into this neutral beat. To be honest, I'm just doing this for you guys because it's so hot here in California that makeup is not my best friend right now. But I gotta do what I gotta do, okay? So now let's get into the makeup for today. First up, my face is already moisturized and clean. So right now, all I need to do is just apply my primer. For primer today, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Primer. It's the Power Grip, and this has been like a holy grail for me. And it's matte, so it's just gonna be perfect for this hot weather. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows into place so that I can start drawing my eyebrows. So for my brows, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild pencil. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe. So guys, I enjoy a more natural looking brow, and that's why I'm using a brown brow pencil instead of a black. Like if it's not for custom or anything, I definitely do not recommend you using any black eyebrow product. So for concealer, I'm going with this one that is a bit lighter, and just, you know, conceal my brows into shape. So guys, I have a question. What kind of makeup do you guys like? Like, do you guys just like the soft makeup, or are you a team all, you know, color, bold and loud? I feel like I'm at different seasons in my life, so like I require different things at different times, you know. So right now I think I'm more of a soft, you know, makeup person rather than doing all the extra, you know. So most of my looks now are gonna be mellow. So I don't know about you, but I like to get my brows out of the way and then go in with my foundation. And for foundation, I'm using the Morphe foundation, the Filter Effect, and I'm using the shade Filter Deep 36. And this is a medium to full coverage, so it's buildable. And today, I don't want to wear a lot of makeup, so I'm just going to do something really light to just cover my hyperpigmentation. And yes, I know my skin has not been the greatest, so don't come at me. I know, okay? So yeah, I really, you know, love full coverage foundations when I'm going out, you know. But today I'm trying to be as light as possible because the heat outside. And here in my studio, I don't have air conditioning. Like, I'm so lazy to, you know, get my air conditioning going down here. So, and it's a rental property, so I cannot be doing extra stuff here. You know, I put a little bit more pump so I can cover this side. You can always build this product up, okay? Because it's buildable. It's a medium to full, you know. Next, I'm gonna go with concealer. I'm gonna go with this less lighter shade first. Because like I told you guys, today's makeup is really soft, you know. So I don't want too much. I want to do makeup but not feel like it's there like a lot. And just to add a little bit of, you know, oomph to my face, I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade. This is actually not my correct shade. I'm just too lazy to get up and go get it. So don't bear with me. I'm gonna make it work because it's not every day that's perfect. Now I'm gonna use the brush, and on this other side, and let me show you how it goes. Do you see my face? It is so light. It almost feels like there's nothing on my face, like for real. Next, I'm gonna go with my Fenty contour stick. This is a creamy to dry consistency, and yes, I contour. So this one you just want to put on these sides on your jaw, and use a bigger brush to fluff it all up. For my nose, I like to go in with something smaller. Let me know if y'all want a detailed video of contouring. Leave it down in the comment section and I'll be sure to do it if you guys want to see. I just like how everything is blending out so seamlessly, like it's just so seamless. Okay. Now I'm going in to set my face and I'm using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade Gobi. I'm just gonna dip my blender into this and then, you know, just lightly do this. This is just gonna brighten my face just enough. That's why I didn't put too much concealer. And next up, to set it all in, I'm gonna be using this Juvia's Place setting powder. Guys, excuse my palette, it's broken, but it's still worth it. I'm using the two darker shades mixed together, and I'm just gonna tap in. So guys, I'm not baking my face. I'm just gonna go right in with my Ulta Beauty adjustable coverage foundation that I'm gonna use as my bronzer and, you know, to dust off the powder. I know that you're curious, you're like, what about your eyes? What about your eyes? Guys, this is really simple. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer right now to my eyes and I'm just gonna keep it at that, okay? And then just set it. I'm still using my darker concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 6, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid, like it's almost my skin color. And now I'm just gonna blend that in. When you're blending your eyes, guys, don't wipe, just like tap, okay? And now I'm gonna set my eyes with my darker contour sheet, my powder contour. Yes, I'm not using a setting powder because, like I said, this is just a dark neutral eye look. Now I'm gonna go in and set my face with my favorite. This is my holy grail. If you know me, you know this is what I use. My Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. As why is my face is dry, and I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Party Blush. Like, I've never been a fan of cream contour, but guys, when I tried this the last time, I was shook, okay? So it's a creamy blush, and I'm just gonna go in like this, and see, did you see that pigment? And just blend it. A little goes a long way. I'm a blush girl, so yes, my blush are always a lot, okay? So get used to it. Then I'm gonna go into my eyes again. I'm going to draw it, okay? I'm using this, which one is this? This is Sephora, the Lunar Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. Now that I got my eyeliners done, let's go in for mascara. My camera died, I know you didn't notice, so yeah, I'm back. Now let's go into my eyes again and let's do the eyelashes. Whilst I'm waiting for my eyelash to dry, I'm just gonna go with my highlighter, and this is the Kavas Highlighter Voluminous Highlighter Palette. You know, yeah, I've had this for quite a while, and it has the 3 different shades. And I'm just gonna go in with the middle and the deep brown shade and just dust it a little bit. Guys, another highlight for me for this video is gonna be my lipstick, because guys, I got this lipstick yesterday and I cannot tell you guys how much I love the color, like, ugh. And this one is in Morocco. and it's a new line that they just launched. And guys, I saw this technique and I want to try it. Like, you can use your darkest contour to line in your lip. Let's try it and see, okay? Better not mess up my newbie. This shade is very dark and it is my Juvia's Place #1. Like, this is the darkest concealer they have. Started messing up my lip. Don't worry, let's clean that. Guys, it actually works. Like, look. The only thing I don't like is that I can't get enough precision with this, but so far so good, it's okay. Did you see that? It's giving. Like, I didn't even need to line in my lip. It's giving. OMG, like, look at that. This is nude, okay? This is what I mean by when I said I'm going nude on my lip. Like, guys, did you just see that? And this is so velvety, like it's not matte. Did you see that? Did you just see that? Guys, we are all done. Like, look at this. Like, with my hair and everything, like, it just blends perfect. OMG. Oh my goodness. Like, these edges, I'm not touching them. I'm just not touching them right now. So excuse my edges. But guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you learned a thing or two and you liked my video, because I'm loving my makeup. Like, these neutral tones are looking good on me. It's giving. Like, the lip is everything. It is soft. It is not matte. It's velvety. It's everything. Yeah, I love it, and I love Juvia's Place and Morphe. So yes, this video was not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. These are just the products that I use at home. And guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching my channel, and please don't go. Click on the next video here or somewhere here, but please click on the next video right now and watch. I have different contents on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and also I do some little here and there mindset, reset, everything talk, you know. So please check me out, okay? And see you in my next video. Bye bye.